Hi, everybody. This is Michael Liveris from JurisQ.com, a legal network. And I had to this week to bring back Gregory Spektor, a personal injury attorney, because something crazy happened in the news that I read in New York Post, and I want Gregory's take on it. Gregory, thank you. I know you're in the middle of trials right now, but I had to pull you in for a few minutes. Just answer this. I read a crazy headline. I'm going to read you the headline. Geico, insurance company, ordered to pay $5.2 million to a woman who claims she caught STD, for those who don't know, sexually transmitted disease, during sex in a car. Gregory, Geico is an insurance company that covers you for claims if you get hit by another car, if you get injured because your driver did something, you were a passenger. I never knew from having sex in the car, you can sue the insurance carrier for the car and recover millions of dollars for HPV. Gregory, what do you think?
Hi, Michael. Thank you for having me. First of all, I'll be honest with you. This doesn't make much sense to me.
Mm-hmm.
I know that this was this particular case. Of course, everybody saw the headline. I don't know how many people actually read the article. I skimmed through the article. I saw that it happened in Missouri, and that's why I basically have to, plead ignorance because I do not know Missouri law. It would not be possible in the state of New York because you're correct. In the state of New York, for someone to collect an insurance compensation for injury sustained as a result of negligence of the owner or the driver of this vehicle, would have to somehow have to do with operation, maintenance, or even entrustment, anything to do with the actual vehicle, right? So was he negligent in operation? I don't see that. Was he negligent in maintenance of the vehicle? Possibly.
Wait a second, Gregory, what if he was driving the car in the middle of the sexual act and that's how she caught STD? Maybe that's how she recovered $5.2 million. Gregory, I'm not going to ask you to comment on that.
This is why we don't live in Missouri. I don't know what's going on.
I finally got you to turn red. It's finally I got you to turn red, Gregory. Look, God bless America. In this country, you can sue anybody for anything, and in Missouri, you actually could win.
Exactly.
But
people, I think Geico is going to appeal it as far as they can. From what I understand, it was not really a verdict, a trial. It was an arbitration award, which at least in New York makes it that much more difficult to appeal because arbitrations are usually considered administrative court, and they'd have to prove that that decision was outrageous and arbitrary, which to me it looks that way.
Right.
Now, good luck to both of them. I mean, Geico is a huge company. They do business in every state. I'm sure they know how to protect themselves, and I'm sure that the justice will surface.
Yeah, I mean, look, we're all for the good guys. The good guys meaning the attorneys who try to recover money for victims of car accidents, who try to make them whole for their injuries, but sometimes this is just going beyond the pale and it's uncalled for. I think it gives a bad name to some attorneys in Missouri who even prosecuted this, but who knows? Bottom line is this: if you have a real injury, if you were in a car accident while the vehicle was being operated, please call attorneys Gregory Spektor and Associates. They're going to evaluate your case to see if it's serious, if it's worthwhile, and if it is, I'm sure Gregory, you're going to do your best to get a maximum recovery.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you. I apologize for making you turning you red this session, but once in a while, I think it's appropriate. Everybody, thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Until next time, take care. Bye, everybody.
Take care. Bye-bye.